Building your dream shed. The ultimate solution with My Shed Plans. Are you someone who has always dreamt of having a perfect shed in your backyard, but the thought of constructing it seems daunting? You may have never tried woodworking before or are worried about the complexities of building a shed. Well, the solution to your shed building dreams is My Shed Plans. With over 12,000 shed plans at your fingertips, constructing the shed of your dreams has never been easier. Zero woodworking experience required. My Shed Plans boasts that even if you have zero woodworking experience, you can still build an amazing shed on a weekend. It's a promise backed by the expertise of Ryan, a seasoned woodworker who has taught dozens of first-time woodworkers to create stunning, master-level sheds repeatedly. The Vault of Perfect Shed Plans. Upon joining the My Shed Plans community, you can access Ryan's Perfect Shed Plans Vault. With over 12,000 plans, you'll have a vast array of designs covering all sizes and styles, from classic to modern. Whether you have a specific vision or are looking for inspiration, these plans have covered you. The components of a perfect shed plan. A perfect shed plan is more than just a set of blueprints. It's a comprehensive guide that makes the construction of your shed a breeze. Each plan includes a complete and exact list of materials. No more guesswork. You'll receive a detailed list of all the materials you need for your shed. This includes cutting lists and tools, with clear labels showing the purpose of each item. You'll save time and money by purchasing only what you need. Lego-style assembly instructions. Imagine building your shed like a giant Lego set. With these instructions, the shed pieces fit together seamlessly, ensuring a perfect assembly every time and no more struggling with parts that don't align. 3D CAD designed images. See your shed from all angles with 3D CAD designed images. This level of clarity allows you to visualize what each part should look like before you even begin building. It's like having a professional woodworker right by your side. The most complete, easy to use, and clear plans. My Shed Plans prides itself on providing the most complete, easy to use, and clear plans. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a complete novice, these plans are designed to be user-friendly. You don't need to be a woodworking expert to bring your shed dreams to life. The shed practically builds itself with these meticulously crafted plans. My Shed Plans offers the opportunity for anyone to turn their shed building dreams into a reality. With over 12,000 perfect shed plans at your disposal, you can build the shed you've always wanted, regardless of your woodworking experience. Ryan's expertise and the comprehensive nature of these plans make shed construction accessible to all. So, why wait? Start building your dream shed this weekend with My Shed Plans. Check the description to access My Shed Plans from the official website.